Hey guys, it's Brent Gleason here with the Katiki team in Victoria, and we're super excited. We've just bought this house with some clients who are so ready to reno this place, and they're going to do an amazing job, and we can't wait to see what it's going to look like. So get ready, because we're about to embark on a big adventure here. We're in a wonderful Gorge and Tillicum neighborhood, which is one of my favorites. I've been living here for about 5 years now, and I absolutely love it. So I'm really excited to get started and show you what we got in store. All right, come follow me. Okay, so as we head up the driveway, this will be the front door here. Here is going to be the living room area, and I really love this area because what they've decided to do was get rid of the ceiling that used to be here. There used to be an 8-foot ceiling, and they've opened up the whole roof, so it just adds so much more space. And then they've added an upstairs area as well into where the attic used to be, and so it's going to be reading up there, office space, whatever you want to do. Down here is the kitchen. We've got drawing for where the island is going to be, and we're going to have a stove over here, little sink here with the window in front of it, and then you're going to have full counter space. I think they're going to go all the way to the ceiling with the counter, and we're going to have a stove and fridge over on this side, or fridge over here, stove over there. 2 rooms on the main floor, 3 rooms on the main floor, and 2 bathrooms. Just about to start drywalling in here, so we figured this would be the best time to get in and take a look around. Good size second or third bedroom in here, and then as we head down the hallway over here, we've got a main floor bathroom, tub, and then the second bedroom is going to be right here. So good sized rooms on the main floor, and then as we step around these sheets of drywall, we're going to hit the main bedroom, which is really, really cool because I decided to keep the fireplace. So you have your own little fireplace here, wood fireplace in the main bedroom with ensuite bathroom as well. As you can see, good size room as well for that. Let's head over to the stairwell and we'll go upstairs. I think they're going to talk about keeping the exposed brick, which I really like, throughout the house. And as you can see, windows up here, so you get lots of natural light coming in. And this could be, use it for so many things, whether it's, I really like the idea of just a little reading room area. You've got office space if you wanted to. You could have a spare bedroom up here if you wanted to. And I believe the plan is for over on this side here is to have a nice little couch space that you could overlook the living room from up top. Yeah, I love it up here. All right, now let's head on down to the basement area and see what they've got going on there. This is also going to be a closet for when you come in the front door, which is over here to my left. So coats and that can go there. So lots of room down here. I'm 6'2", so no need to worry about the height. And then as you come down the stairs, we have, this is going to be the laundry area here. So washer, dryer, and over to my right is another bathroom. You can see the tub's already in there. And so what the plan is here is we're going to put a couple bedrooms down here and kind of leave it up to the seller, or leave it up to the buyer rather, to find out what they want to do with the downstairs. So it'll all be completely finished. Everything else has just been upgraded to 200 amp service as well. So tons of space in this now. We've got close to 3,000 square feet. We'll know more about that as we kind of get closer to the finished product. And we're not done there. We still have one more special room, which I'm about to show you out this way. one of my favorite parts of the home. Okay, so here we have a great little space for those of you who are, working from home, home-based business, whatever you want. It's a great little spot that you can use away from the main house. You've got your own private space. We are going to have plumbing roughed in here as well. So if you choose, you can add, washer, dryer, sink, bathtub if you wanted to, or shower unit. That's completely up to the buyer. But for now, we'll have plumbing roughed in. It's all, upgraded electrical as well. But for those of us who are working from home, which is a lot of us these days, this would be the perfect little spot for that. We've already finished the deck coming off the living room in the backyard. And they're going to finish, they're going to add some railings in that as well to the deck, but lots of space there for, sitting down with the family. You'll have barbecue, whatever you need to do, you've got that. And then another bonus over here, this area here, as you can see, it was once a pool. So what we're going to do here is add garden space over here. So you've got a good sized garden, and next to it, this whole area is going to be finished off. We're going to have seating in here, kind of like a secondary patio from what you have on the deck. Maybe put a propane fireplace in there, and then a couple seats around. So this is a little bit area you've got your balcony away from your other deck over here, so that's kind of cool. All right, so here we are. We're kind of done with the nuts and bolts. The grunt work has been completed, which is great because there's a lot of it involved. We want to make this place to look beautiful now. It's time to add some finishings, and we actually have the family who's doing this whole renovation. It's a husband-wife team, and the wife's a lovely interior designer, and it's time for her to start getting to work and start making some finishing touches to really bring this place together. So let's see what she's got in mind for us. So when I walked in here today, I could hardly recognize the place. The kitchen's been completely changed around from its original state. They've done everything differently. The fridge is in a different spot. They've added this wonderful kitchen island. It's a lot more of just a better flow as far as kitchen goes. New backsplash, like everything's new in this place. They went with full maple cabinets, nothing cheap here. They didn't spare any expenditures, which was really, really great. It's going to be really, really good for any buyer coming in. They can see that there's a lot of quality as far as the workmanship and the materials used. And upstairs is absolutely incredible because what they decided to do was just get rid of all of the attic space and add cathedral ceilings. There's a stairwell going up the stairs. You can see the upstairs from the living room area, and also when you're upstairs you can look down. It's a great little space. Call it a flex space, but you could do anything up there. It just opens up the whole home and adds so much extra square footage, which is fantastic. Extra bathroom on the upstairs, plus an ensuite bathroom in the primary bedroom. Still 3 bedrooms up still, plus the extra bathroom. Yeah, what they did with the downstairs, it's amazing because they finished everything. They added a bathroom, they added an extra room, but what they also decided to do was they roughed in plumbing. So if anyone wants to add a suite, that's up to them. All the work's done. But again, everything upstairs to down, I can't even recognize this place. Everything from brand new windows, all new flooring, all new insulation, paint jobs, very, very neutral, beautiful, beautiful, bright, bright spaces everywhere. A lot of natural light flooding in. One of my favorite things is what they did with the backyard. The backyard was, they were not sure what they were going to do with the backyard, but they decided to take this old pool area that was essentially a concrete pit, and they decided to make this great little garden space with a kind of like an extra patio or lounge area with we put a little fireplace in there so people could kind of hang out. And then they did a wonderful job of fencing the whole area in and putting up a privatization wall as well. All right, everyone, the contracts have been signed. We've had so much interest over the last week since we listed this place, and we've had multiple offers. They were all wonderful, wonderful offers. Thanks so much for all the interested parties. We had a lot of traffic coming through here, open houses, tons of interest, a lot of neighbors that were excited about it as well to see what had happened over the last few months. And we decided to go with an unconditional offer. The sellers were extremely happy with the buyers who came through, and they couldn't be happier with the outcome of everything.